Guys, another rapid update today. So where we're at now, we've got the inflation running hot. CPI is a hot print, not just on the monthly, but on the yearly as well. I would believe that's likely just off the back of high energy, high food prices, high rents. Rents are dropping in certain areas, but in big cities, I mean Australia, the US, they're still rising. They're rising, or you're getting stuck in a smaller box. So I mean, still you're just getting less, right? This idea that food prices aren't going down, they are. It's just shrinkflation. You get an Uber Eats meal, you get a ice cream, you get a chocolate, and you're like, oh, it's still kind of the same price, but it's getting smaller and smaller all of the time. The ingredients are less quality, so it's a form of shrinkflation as well. And yeah, I mean, things really aren't have never been more expensive. Like, let's be frank. And now it's going to get a lot worse, in my view. This confirms my bearish thesis again going forward. Rate cuts seem off the table. And I believe that they are. I think that our rate hike is potentially a crash opportunity. Going forward where we have the new Fed chair, I think he's going to be hawkish. He's going to inherit a mess because I believe that the Iran war is going to get a lot worse. This start and stop war, yeah, we're at a ceasefire and now they stack their positions on Polymarket again, and then they do what they want to do on set days. That's just complete market manipulation. Like this is just Polymarket's a gambling exchange. The only reason it's allowed to exist is because insiders are using it to extract via wars and via we do this on this day and these are the odds and we make 10, 20 million each on these positions. It's really disgusting, but that's really all that's happening. I believe oil's going to 150. I had a prediction where oil was going from 80 to 120. It ran my targets, but I believe it's cooling off and it will go to 150 this run. There's an energy crisis around the corner. Is it 3 months away? Probably not. Is it 6 months away? Quite likely. There's yeah, an energy crisis is coming. You're looking at higher for longer. You're looking at, again, potential energy lockdowns. Not that you're locked in your house, but you have restricted movement because kerosene, gas, aircraft, fuel or jet fuel, all of that's too expensive. And then again, you're restricted, you're locked down. You leave when wealth taxes arrive, you leave when exit taxes are there. This is a 6 to 12 month lockdown period. You're stuck in Australia and you can't leave until the exit taxes arrive. You can't fly out until they tax you to leave. Those are the concepts that they're bringing forward. They're rushing them through. They want to restrict movement because they don't want any capital flight. That's a key component. That's why the whole world changes by 2030. You have to ride this bull run that's coming, and it's coming slowly. But this is the final round of dollar destruction, the one that essentially destroys the middle class is coming forward. This is the one now till 2030. And that's hard because you're going to be in a crash environment as well over the next 6 months. There is a crash coming. You best know that. Yeah, it's an energy crisis is coming. Another COVID tier disaster is coming. Similar to how COVID ended quantitative tightening last time. We had a few months, first COVID case. 3 months after that, we had quantitative easing begin. Now we have quantitative tightening ending 4 months ago, and now we have a disaster. I mean, 3 months after that, we're at war with Iran. So, I mean, you got to really see the writing on the wall for what's to come. They need you to get on board with the dollar destruction to come. Massive bull run coming off the back of that. Those who hang in there will make generational wealth, and those who get shaken out of the markets and don't know where to go will miss the next opportunity. So stay with me, and I'll get you guys through it. Till next time.